In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Shopify store on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see your storefront the way customers will, make edits with confidence, and share a safe preview with your team. Start by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your store's control center. From the left sidebar, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. Here you'll see your current live theme at the top and any additional themes in your theme library below. This layout makes it easy to work on a draft without affecting what shoppers currently see. When you're ready to view a theme, find the one you're working on, whether it's your published theme or a draft, and open its Actions menu, the three dots. Click Preview. Shopify will open a new browser tab that shows your storefront exactly as a customer would see it on desktop. Use this to verify layouts, images, and navigation. For a clean look at your changes, it can help to refresh the page or use a private browsing window so cached assets don't confuse the results. You can also drag your browser window narrower to get a quick feel for how your desktop layout responds to different screen sizes. To make edits while seeing changes live, go back to Online Store and click Customize next to your theme. This opens the theme editor. As you update text, colors, sections, and images, the preview updates instantly, letting you fine-tune spacing and style without guessing. If you sell in multiple markets or languages, use the eye icon in the preview bar to switch the View As options so you can confirm currency formats, translations, and localized content look right to those audiences. If you need feedback, you can share a preview of a draft theme without making it public. In the preview bar, click the link icon to copy your theme's preview link and send it to a teammate or client. Keep in mind, these visitor preview links typically expire after 2 days. If it stops working, simply open the preview again and copy a fresh link. Finally, if your storefront is password protected because you're still in development, you can still see it without entering the password. In the Online Store section of your admin, use the eye icon to preview the storefront. This lets you review your theme as an admin while the public continues to see the password page. That's all you need to confidently preview your Shopify store on desktop, make precise edits, and share polished drafts before you publish.